I'm Hannah from WTI, and this is my emotional support water bottle from Owala. This is the FreeSip design. It's in the colorway Tide Me Over. This is 32 ounces. It's a stainless steel bottle. It will help keep your drinks, your water cold for up to 24 hours. It's no joke. This thing is awesome. On a recent trip to Disney, I actually took this with us. My husband and I have very different opinions on the use of straws versus no straws. Now, the FreeSip design is amazing because you can either sip from the straw or tilt back and guzzle the water straight from the bottle. A lot of companies will advertise that their water bottles are leak proof. This one actually is. You can flip it upside down, you can shake it, you can roll it across the across the concrete, and this thing is not going to spill. And it is not going to come open in your bag when you have this lock engaged. You're not going to wonder what happened. Why is there a ton of water in my backpack now? No, this thing keeps it locked and secure. So if you're looking for a new water bottle that won't leak and will keep your drinks cold for a full day, this is going to be your guy. But that's just my point of view.